Unleash your streaming potential and skyrocket your fame. Discover 15 exciting live content ideas to captivate your audience. Stay tuned for these epic suggestions to keep your viewers hooked and coming back for more. Get ready to make your mark and give your followers a compelling reason to join your journey. 1. Going behind the scenes. Sometimes your audience are excited to know what is behind the scenes during the lives or what's going on before the lives. Then, you can tell your viewers of how you prepare for live sessions and what are the equipment used in a live stream. Aside from the live stream workflow, you can share a behind-the-scenes sneak peek with your audience for everything. 2. Performing a talent on a live stream. If you are a singer, musician, comedian, dance group, individual dancers, or other talent, you can definitely perform your talents on the live stream. However, talents are not limited to these fields. If you don't know how to sing or play an instrument to entertain people, whatever you can make your real-life friends happy are your talents too. 3. Play dress-up or cosplay on your stream. Get ready to cosplay and bring your favorite characters to life on the live stream. Dressing up has become a huge trend in recent years, adding an exciting element to live streams. Choose a character from a movie, book, video game, or any media you love. Let your imagination run wild and enjoy the experience. 4. Cook something and share the recipe. Food, the ultimate source of joy and satisfaction. Whether you're a seasoned chef in a restaurant or a passionate foodie in your own kitchen, starting an incredible cooking show is a fantastic idea. 5. Live stream your workouts. In the wake of the challenging COVID-19 pandemic, our lives have undergone significant changes, leading to the adoption of new routines and lifestyles. One such adaptation is the trend of home workouts. Nowadays, countless individuals are in search of at-home fitness resources, including live streaming workout classes. Thank you for joining me for part 1 of my 15 live streaming ideas aimed at attracting more viewers. If you found this content enjoyable, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Remember to activate the notification bell to stay informed about the release of part 2.